Good evening and welcome to Trish TV. This evening I'll be reviewing different types of cream sodas. I'll be doing this for Simafoy, who's my aunt all the way in Canada. We've got 4 different types of cream sodas today. Cream soda is a soda-based drink. It's a vanilla flavoured drink, and it's based on the ice cream float soda drinks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blindfold myself, and my lovely assistant is going to bring me 4 different cream sodas poured out into glasses. So I don't know what's what. I'll be blindfolding myself so I don't see any colours. I'm going to be tasting an original cream soda and 3 other variants, and I'll have to decide which is the original and which is the best. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blindfold myself, and then I'm going to call in my lovely assistant. So she'll test that I can't see, just so everyone knows that I can't see. But here we go.
Don't cut your blood circulation.
Okay, so well, I've pretty much sealed my eyes shut right now, so I can't really see nothing. You're welcome to come in with the cream sodas. You might have to direct my hands to the glasses. Okay. But yeah, I'm ready when you are.
I'm doing it now. It looked funny. Soda. Cream soda. Don't knock the table, please.
I'm not even moving.
Huh?
The cream soda is a favourite drink of ours in our family. I remember it from a child. It was a cream soda. I used to mix it with a bit of water. It was green. It's amazing. And I feel like I was drinking hot juice.
The reason for the blindfold is because you can quite clearly see one of them is green. So.
Smells like heaven in here.
Do you want to smell them and see if you can tell which is the real one, or do you just want to
okay.
taste?
Just do one at a time. I'll go through them from start to finish, whichever.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. So every cream soda has a different viscosity, and they all fizz in different ways because of the carbonation.
How is it?
This is a good cream soda. It's got a nice mild vanilla cream flavour to it. Yeah. I wouldn't say this is the original, but it's a good replica.
Okay.
If you keep them in the order, then I can maybe try and guess where they're from. I must piss my mouth then. That's pretty fun. Oh yeah. That's an interesting one. Not as vanilla-y. Tastes a bit. Oh.
Tastes a bit what?
No, the vanilla is not very strong. The sweet and the fizzy is good, but the vanilla flavour is not that great.
You would be bogged if that's your favourite one.
Thank you. Alright. They all smell delicious. This one smells a bit soapy.
I thought that when I poured a couple of it.
Oh, this is a good one. I like this one a lot.
It smells soapy, but you like the taste of it.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Not too fizzy. The fizz factor is a bit low on this one, but actually the flavours are quite good. Thank you. Okay. This one tastes like cake. It's not a strong taste. It's very mild initially. Hits you like cake and then it goes away like water. Okay. Alright, am I alright now?
Just give me a second. I'm just going to get the cans so people know what they are and how they look.
Should I finish them or not?
Do you want to taste any of them again?
Right, if there's any left in any of them.
Well, there's some left in all of them.
Okay, just put them in, I'll just give me them again.
Okay, so first, do you know which is the
The green one.
yeah?
It's either number 2 or 3.
Do you want to try both of them again and have a guess?
That's okay, I'll just go for them all again.
Okay, so
I'll
here's
finish it
number
all.
1.
And then I'll go from there. I'm going to take a stab. I'm going to say that one is the Tesco's one.
Okay. This is number 2.
Okay. Oof, I've committed to number 1, I'll leave that as it is.
Any guesses on number 2?
Not yet.
Okay.
I think 3 might be my favourite.
Any guesses?
Not yet.
Oh, but you're dead set on number 1.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see if you're right.
This isn't the shot. I don't think I've ever had this one before. Okay, so that's number 4, yeah?
Mhm.
Okay. So,
Do you want me to tell them what we have first?
well, you can put the cans behind the glasses, I suppose.
Okay. So, I'm not going to do them in order because then that will tell him what we have.
Well, no, just put them in front of the glasses and they can see. And then you can tell them.
But I need to check because I don't actually know.
Hmm.
Okay. So, you're sticking with Tesco as being number 1.
Tesco's number 1.
And then number 2.
Number 2, I'm going to go with Old Jamaica.
Okay.
Number 3, I'm going to go with the green one. I can't remember what it's called.
It's called Sparletta.
Spaletta. And number 4, I'm going to go with Sainsbury's. Final answer.
Are you sure? You need to think about the fact that you may let one of your family members down if you get Sparletta wrong. I'm not saying you are wrong. I just want you to be sure.
It's just what my taste is telling me. Everyone has different taste buds. I think that's the order. Tesco's, Jamaica, Spaletta, Sainsbury's.
Do you want to take your blindfold off?
Oh. Oh, spot on!
He clearly drinks too much cream soda.
I've been Trish. You've been watching Trish TV. Hope you enjoyed that episode. Thank you.